We talk football SA. Kaizer Chiefs 2. School United 0. You know China la. China.
Baba Mtunga.
Jabule mntakababa.
Oh. Inkinga, they didn't understand ukuthi our exit to MTN8 was a wake-up call to our coach.
Yes.
Now, what I like about our coach is able to rectify where he did wrong. On our last game, his mistake was 10. He played Ungcobo with 10. Guess what today? He played Batman with 10.
Yes.
That's the coach we need. A coach who's able to observe. A coach who's able to say that, where did it go wrong on our last game? Where can we fix? This is the coach that I like the most because trust me, man, within this period of 10 years, we gave Steve Kombela 3 years. This is a guy who deserves 3 years. Because of this is a guy who can see that he's willing, he want to do this. He deserves a chance from our supporters. Yes, we understand it was hurting. Uphuma ku-MTN8 ayonto besiyexpectile, but then although siphumile ku-MTN8 we are happy where we at now. Ngiyabelieve ukuthi ukusuka kwethu la sisiya kuma-Mamelodi Sundowns zikhona izinto where we know that if ever we fix here and there, trust me, ku-easy ukubona lo coach. Now I can say that there's a philosophy at Chiefs. Ku-easy ukubona ucoach. Coach easy umbona ngani? I-players aqalisa next game. We'll introduce a second half. Next game ku-Sundowns uNdlovu uzodlala. Because of simbona ukuthi le player uyalinika that thing ba libe used grounding. This guy can coach, man.
Lingabi nerush.
The Cruz can coach. Everyone at Chiefs currently is hungry. Everyone at Chiefs is hungry. The new players, Amobili, everyone is hungry now. This is what we wanted, where everyone is hungry. But somehow, labo bekusekuneskhathinyana bekhona kwa Chiefs. They need to work on that.
Abasebenzi
labafana bafikile bayashisa ucoach uyashisa. Everyone wanna play, but bakhona abantu babulungisa ama mistake wabo. Khona bamele babulungisa ama mistake wabo because of somehow uPhili didn't play well after kuphume uvele uBatman. So somehow umdu need to understand uPhili. We also need to fix indaba kaMiguel. uMiguel akaskeni. That's his problem. uMiguel akaskeni. He likes to hold the ball, but akaskeni. Miguel, you need to release the ball early. If Miguel can release the ball early, trust me, we can.
Because he
good.
Ngiyaqeda. Man of the match uyinike bani?
Man of the match, uLangelihle deserved it. If it was not Langelihle, things I need go Ox. But uLangelihle deserved it.
I remember Ox.
Ox you hold deal there. That's the Ox ebesimfuna ukumbona. But trust me, uLangelihle deserve it. Every player at Chiefs played very well. No Solomon, I would say that deserve it. So as him blame me, uyayideserva uLangelihle yakhe. Uyayideserva. Beyiphela and he changed the game. He's enjoying Lamvana wanted to play for Kaizer Chiefs. Thank Baba Mtunga.
Mana ngesesivana nje mfowethu nje imizuzu yokugcina. ISundowns ngathi izoba nenkinga mayifika la.
Look, let's look at Sundowns Baba Mtunga. I'm very concerned about Sundowns. Sundowns conceded 4 goals in 2 matches. Consider with Sundowns 2 matches, you can tell that even ama errors wakhona are just high school boy errors. Williams needs to do better. I still wonder why he is called South Africa's #1 goalkeeper, whereas he has such mistakes. Sundowns, you consider the defense of Sundowns is not too good. However, if ever Chiefs can just not show respect to Mamelodi Sundowns, go and play their A game, we can punish them as well. We have good players, especially our forwards. Our forwards are very good. So ukusuka kwethu lapho masiyazi ukuthi sosebenza ama forwards the way siwasebenza ngakhona uLangelihle Phili uvele bhayi and then uBatman as well as Odigaro. Odigaro is very physical. Now that defense of Sundowns, he can shake it. I would still choose Odigaro. Odigaro. Igodaro. I would still say that Igodaro. Igodaro siyamnida kula game Sundowns because of Igodaro physical and that defense Sundowns siyayibona ukuthi iweaknyana. So Sundowns ayikho clinical a move, especially move. Yes, they can score. but they are not clinical at the back. So
Horrible.
anything is possible, Gleban. So if ever they will play the same way. But it's sad for us at some point because of now. Mabefika ukuthi bazofika sebefixile lama mistake wabo. But sizobona bazofuna ukufixa ama mistake wabo ngathi. However, nathi I believe ukuthi siyakhula from our mistakes. Siyawalungisa watu ama mistakes. So if ever they think that they will show their mistake ngathi Sundowns, nathi bayazi ukuthi sesiwalungisile watu ama mistakes. Siwabonile, sawa rectify. Now masesiya showing at Sundowns because of Sundowns and defense, weak defense. Yeah.
Okay, last. Do you think your forwards or when Kaizer Chiefs is going forward, do you think they take enough shots at goal? Just taking shots at goal.
Look, Kaizer Chiefs is a big team. Now these young boys is how dangerous they can be. I believe sometimes when you look at this Kokune was playing a mid block. Now it's hard sometimes to shoot away with mid block because of sometimes if ever your players are not accurate on shooting,
there's no space.
It means that once that ball bounces back, you can be punished over a counter attack. So that's why I'm saying that as much as our players are not much good when it comes to shooting, but I believe that they are able to create chances. They just need to utilize them. The only thing I want him to do is to send 3 points with Korea.
No,
Korea 3 points.
There's no currying of points. If you want it, you better take it from me.
No, I will take it from Williams. Williams conceded 4 goals in 2 matches. He claimed that Williams is number 1 goal.
And Sundowns scored how many goals in 2 matches?
You scored. It means that Sundowns scored 2 goals. Let's say you scored 6 goals.
Good.
And
as far as I'm concerned, that's how soccer works.
Means
if I score more goals, then I concede, I win.
Try that with Kaizer Chiefs. You are doing those things with teams like Polokwane City. If ever Polokwane City can score 2 goals on you, it means that once you face Kaizer Chiefs, you will suffer.
Until now, I haven't had a score prediction. But here's mine. 4-1 to Sundowns.
4-1 to Sundowns. Here.
This Calabash. Yeah, that's very Calabash. A good game of football. Those back passes, my brother. If that's the same strategy coming was on Saturday, that's where I'm gonna show you how football is played.
Yes.
And how tiki-taka is supposed to be done.
Yes.
So if that's your strategy on Saturday, pass off. That's what I want
the
to
best
say.
goalkeeper to score an own goal in 2026-2027 season, Williams.
Thank you, brothers.